Sleek, stylish, and most of all, really fun to drive. Meet the all-new Honda Civic Sedan. It all starts with a fastback design, so wherever you're headed, you can lead the way while looking sharp. It also offers available 18-inch alloy wheels and standard LED headlights. Inside, you'll find plenty to catch your eye. The available 10.2-inch driver information interface makes it easy to stay up to speed. And if you need some perspective, you can find a new one with the available one-touch power moonroof. And if you want a more aggressive look to go with your exciting ride, check out the available HPD package. Good things happen when you're behind the wheel of the Civic. Especially when you have technology that works for you. That includes an available 9-inch color touchscreen with smart shortcuts, which can remember and suggest everything from destinations to music. You can also stay connected to people, music, and more with available wireless Apple CarPlay integration for iPhone and available wireless Android Auto integration for Android phones. No cables required. It also sounds as good as it looks, especially when you've got an available 12-speaker Bose premium sound system. The legend continues with the all-new Civic Sedan from Honda.